Hello guys, welcome to this little video. This is a thank you video. A big thank you to Popcorn913. Earlier on this week he sent me some stickers over. They've come all the way from San Francisco, California, which is where he is based. He sent them over to me, so I really appreciate that. If you want to check his channel out guys, the link is in the description below. It's Popcorn913 on YouTube. Go and check his channel out guys, give him a sub, give him a like. He streams the CB radio live, the CB radio from the San Francisco Bay Area, and it's most days that he does that, so go and check him out guys. And again, thank you Popcorn913.